I'm Dr. Neeraj Sahni, specialist dentist trained from London. I provide second opinion, online consultation, and suggestions regarding any of your dental treatment at no cost. Yes, you heard it right. I provide a dental treatment planning for you, and if you want, I can discuss your dental case with any of the dentists based in any part of the world. I can talk about your expectations, your aesthetic achievements, what you want, and we can guide the dentist and suggest him an alternative treatment plan with due respect. So before we proceed further, I'll give you enough reason why you should confide in me or consider a team of my specialists, what makes us different and how are we unique. In order to do that, I'll give you an insight regarding my qualification, experience, expertise, technology, and what do I think when I take up a dental case. What is the science behind it? I provide you with the latest dental journals. I'll give you a know-how, what actually is happening in any part of the world as long as your dental treatment is concerned, so that you're not missed out with any other information. So let's begin with my CV. I've done a formal dental training from India and I moved to London for my master's. I'm a specialist in oral medicine. I've done extensive training in maxillofacial surgery, head and neck oncology, oral oncology. I've been a clinical assistant, a research assistant. I've practiced at Harley Street or the Great Ormond Hospital. I've devoted a lot of time at Oxford dental setups, University College London setups. Then I was back to India, and I've spent a lot of years with Fortis hospitals and other medical training centers. So how and where to combine medical and dental? Well, when we use dental implants in dentistry, it's like putting a dental implant in your jawbone. It's an implant. You must have heard about orthopedic surgeons. They use implant, they combine your bones, they fuse your bone. That's orthopedic surgery. And we do dentofacial orthopedic. It's a super specialist job. It's not about putting a dental implant. It's about putting it safely so that we do not knock off your blood vessel. We have to be very vigilant that we're not rupturing your nerve. In case if your nerve is accidentally gone, then you might not be able to feel that area or might not have a taste sensation for a couple of months. So it's not about driving a car, it's about safe driving. After my rigorous training and global exposure, I found the dental treatment is very expensive. It's way beyond the reach of a common man. I thought, let's step into it, provide online consultation, second opinion, and suggest people with their dental treatment planning so that they can at least maintain their oral hygiene or have an access to the best dentist in their hometown. If you've got any dental concern, you can always email me or WhatsApp me your x-ray or tooth picture. I will look into your dental case. My specialist team will send you a treatment plan. Please be reminded, this will be a treatment plan because we haven't looked into your mouth. But be assured that this will be very close to your ideal treatment planning. And if you want, we can talk to your dentist in your city. We can discuss your case with him. We can either convince him or get convinced on any of a new treatment modality. It's all about keeping your teeth healthy. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy your meal.